Hi friends, today is day 2 of Mahila Dhyana Mahachakra. Here is a message from our Patri sir. Patri sir invited Sadananda Giri Babaji. So Sadananda Giri Babaji gave his message and followed by Patri sir's message. Patri sir introduced him as a Sadananda Babaji from the Himalaya Yogis, and he is aged 106 years old. He is a great saint from India. He is by showing him, Patri sir is saying India is rich for its knowledge and wisdom with the great saints like Sadananda Babaji. Patri sir saying that he is eager to meet such a great people and he will be happy to sit in their presence and do the meditation. Patri sir thanked Swamiji for coming to this Kailashpuri from Himalayas. Swamiji, in his talk, he mentioned or he insisted the word layam. So, layam means becoming one. He is mentioning that Deva layam. All our words is with the, and many of the words are ending with the layam. Deva layam, Himalayam, Vaidyalayam, Vidyalayam, which means whatever we are doing, right, we have to become the layam with that one, which means oneness with it. Deva layam, become oneness with the God. Vidyalayam, becoming oneness with your knowledge, acquiring knowledge. We have to become oneness with the other. So when we are becoming oneness, at the end of the day, we should not see ourselves. We should only see that one. So here, with what we should become oneness? We have to become oneness with our breath. We should always become oneness with our breath. We should dissolve ourselves in the breath. So, which is nothing but dhyana or a meditation. So when we are learning a music, we should become oneness with the music. When we are studying, we should become the oneness with the knowledge. When we are doing a meditation, we should become oneness with that breath. That is the dhyanam. In this context, he is quoting the Gautama Buddha quote, Buddham saranam gacchami, Dhammam saranam gacchami, Sangham saranam gacchami. We have to become oneness with Dharma. We should become oneness with Sangham. We have to sit like Buddha and we should become oneness with Buddha. Here, Buddha, he is not referring the Gautama Buddha, but he is referring to the great enlightened masters who sits like a Buddha, like our Babaji. That he came and he sit along with us from the Kailashpuri. He also mentioned about the Pyramid Spiritual Society movement, which has completed the 30 years. So since 30 years, he is working and he is actually spreading the word or importance of this pyramid and pyramid energy throughout the world. As long as we keep our physical body, we always need to be Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, Dharmam Sharanam Gacchami, Sangham Sharanam Gacchami. Buddha is enlightenment. We should be enlightened and we should work towards enlightenment and we should become oneness with our enlightenment. So how do we get this enlightenment? We will get this enlightenment by acquiring Atma Gnana or the Paraloka Gnana, which is the knowledge about the other worlds. When we acquire the knowledge about the other worlds, finally we'll get to know that we are not our physical body. We are the soul beings. We are not going to die. We are forever. Dharmam saranam gacchami. Dharmam means it is a seva, service. So we should perform all our duties. We should discharge all our responsibilities. As said in the Kaushalya Supraja Rama Purva Sandhya Pravartate Uttishta narasurdhala kartavyam daivamanhikam. He insisted, we have to do our kartavyam daivamanhike. Kartavyam means it's a responsibility. We have to fulfill all our responsibilities, which ultimately leads to the become oneness with the God. So all the pyramid master's responsibility here is to perform dhyanam, to do dhyanam, to spread the dhyanam. So dhyanam is meditation. So we all the pyramid masters have to do meditation, and we all to take part of spreading this meditation. This meditation will protect the world, will protect the entire world. This is our responsibility. We are all doing 11 days of this yajna in the name of second Dhyana Mahila Chakra in Kailashapuri until 31st December 2020. So let us all do meditation to help and protect this entire world. Patri sir also mentioned that he is not able to invite all the people for this Dhyana Mahila Chakra because as a part of the government rules, Patri sir could not involve, as it is not allowed to mobilize or to gather many people at one public place. He apologized for all those who could not be invited or who could not make it to the second Dhyana Mahila Chakra because of the government rules. He is saying it is our responsibility, it is our duty to honor the rules given by the government. When we listen to the government, one day government will listen to us, government will listen to what we say, and government will definitely listen to what is about this meditation and how we can spread, how this will protect the entire world. When everybody did this meditation, world will live without fear. He mentioned the importance of living without fear. When we get the knowledge, so with that wisdom, the fear within us will be vanished. When we get a fear, when we are living in the fear, all the diseases or all the things that we get attracted, all the negative things will get attracted in this world. We may get corona, we may get demons, or we may get something else. But when we are living without fear, nothing will touch us. So we should live without fear. When we can live without fear, when we are regularly doing our meditation, when we are taking this cosmic energy around us within us, so we will not have any fear. We can live thousands of years if we want without this fear, because when we do not have any fear, we will not have any blocks within our body. When we do not have any blocks, there won't be any diseases. So when there is no diseases, there is no illness. There is no illness, there is no death. So there is no fear. We need not fear for anything. So friends, let us all live happily by doing the meditation every day. The only mantra for the time being is no fear whatsoever. No fear whatsoever. This is India, and we need not fear for anything. There is no cause that we have to fear. There is no disease. There is no illness. There is no sickness. We are forever. We are all Indians. We are all great people because of meditation. Because of meditation, we all get enlightenment. We are all great people because of compassion. We are all great people because of vegetarianism. We are all great because of pyramid energy. Patri sir ended the second day message saying that no fear whatsoever. Thank you, friends.